You hear that? It's the sound of a Mai Tai going down my throat. Go check it out. Hello, welcome to Abbott Wallace Distilling Company. My name's Nathan, and today I'm going to teach you to be your own home bartender. Today I'm going to give you a nice summer classic, the Mai Tai. So we'll take a nice 90 proof white rum, pour it into your measuring device to 1.5 ounces, and pour it in your shaker. Put that off to the side. I'm going to do a 1/2 ounce of orgeat, which is just basically a simple syrup with almonds, and an orange curacao, again 1/2 ounce, into your shaking cup, glass, whatever it's called. And then, the most important ingredient, fresh lime juice. We're gonna go with 1/2 ounce, maybe a little more. Go with 3/4 ounce and make it a little limey. Put it in, fill her with ice, and shake. Once we're done shaking, get a nice glass with fresh ice and pour over. Dump your waste, and if that's what you like, it is ready to serve. We can garnish it with a little dried lime. Can do a nice orange peel as well. Make it look nice and pretty. And then if you're feeling like a little extra rum today, you can just top it, float it, a little dark rum. There we are. A nice little Mai Tai. Cheers. Hey, Abbott Wallace lovers, we just made a Mai Tai. Go check it out. Drink up.